Hey guys, Trevor here from LumeCube to break down the all-new RGB Panel Go. The RGB Panel Go is not only bicolor, but full RGB, featuring 360 color options, a new big back control screen, and seriously packs a punch for its size while remaining easy to carry in the gear bag. Let's get into how to use it. When you receive your RGB Go, inside the box you will find the light itself, a softening diffuser, a DSLR camera mount, and a USB-C charging cable. First thing you'll notice on the RGB Go is the strong build. This thing is built like a tank, and simply put, you just don't have to worry about damaging it. It's made from full aluminum alloy, which gives it very strong durability while keeping it lightweight and easy to carry. It sizes up at 5 inches long by 2.7 inches tall by 0.41 inches thick and weighs 135 grams. To touch on the LEDs, inside the Panel Go features 210 bicolor and RGB LEDs. Each LED boasts a CRI of 96+, so you know this thing will give you a very accurate and high quality light source. Some other physical features include a frosted lens over the LEDs itself to ensure you have a nice soft and diffused light output, as well as 2 /20 threads, one on side and one on bottom. So you can mount your light horizontally or vertically to any camera, light stand, or 1/20 device with ease. To turn your RGB Go on, simply find the blue button and hold it down for 1 to 2 seconds. Then your light will turn on, and you'll immediately notice the beautiful big back screen on the RGB Go. On this back screen, you can see your brightness level, color temperature or warmth, the color settings, scene, and strobe settings. But my favorite feature on this back screen by far, if you look at the top left corner, you'll see the estimated time remaining on your battery life. So as you're adjusting your settings, you know exactly how much time down to the minute you have left on your lighting. To adjust your light settings, you'll want to use the blue button and the dial right below it. And keep in mind, when you're adjusting your settings, you'll want to locate the little arrow on the back screen. This is indicating which settings you are adjusting. Tapping the blue button will move the arrow from one setting to the next. So to adjust your brightness, for example, make sure the arrow is on the brightness level line, and then you can use the adjustment dial to push up to increase brightness and push down to decrease brightness. To adjust your color temperature, push the blue button one more time and the arrow will drop down to the temperature line. Push the dial up to increase your color temperature or make it more of a white light, and push the adjustment dial down to make it more of a warm light. Tap the blue button once again and you'll be in the color section. The RGB Panel Go offers 360 color options, and you can use the dial to flip through all of them. Tap the blue button once again and you'll enter Scenes mode. This is where you can find lighting effects like lightning, siren, loop, and fireplace. These lighting effects are super handy for any filmmaking, videography, or social media content. Loop and fire mode also work great as mood lights if you're editing or just hanging out. And last, we have strobe mode. The RGB Panel Go comes built in with 10 strobe speeds from 1 Hz up to 10 Hz. You can simply use the dial to adjust through all of them. And keep in mind, you can also combine a color or a certain color temperature with the strobe mode. Simply set your color first and then go down to strobe mode and set your strobe, and the light will flash at your desired color or color temperature. I am all about the subtle features that make products super easy to work with. And here's one for the RGB Go. When you turn your light off, it will remember the settings you were using previously. So when you turn it back on, it's at the same exact settings. Small feature, but big benefit to the end user. When it comes time to recharge, locate the USB-C port on side and insert the included USB-C charging cable into your RGB Go. Plug the other end into a power source and you'll notice this little charging icon pop up on the control screen on back. Keep in mind, it takes up to 80 minutes to fully recharge your RGB Go, or you can keep an eye on the little icon in the top right corner. Once all the bars are filled up inside, you're fully charged up and ready to go. If you're going after extra soft light, be sure to check out the included diffuser that comes with your RGB Go. To mount it to your light, simply overlay it over the light itself. Just be sure that the buttons and dial on side line up with the opening on the diffuser so you can still control your lighting. We hope this video helped you get a better understanding of how to use the RGB Panel Go. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to support@lumecube.com or drop your comment in the LumeCube community group on Facebook. If you have any feedback on your experience with the product, feel free to leave a review on the site that you purchased from. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.